Cobicistat clinical drug monograph. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Cobicistat. Drug class, pharmacokinetic enhancer, CYP3A4 inhibitor, CY2D6 inhibitor, P-glycoprotein PGP inhibitor, booster of protease inhibitors and integrase inhibitors, no intrinsic antiviral activity. Brand name, drug forms, oral tablet 150 milligrams, also found in fixed dose combinations, Stribiled EVG Cobi TDFFs FTC, Genvoya, Prescobix Darvcope Evotaz ATV up to. Definition: Cobicistat is a pharmacokinetic boosting agent designed to enhance the exposure of certain antiretroviral medications by inhibiting CYP3A-mediated metabolism. It has no anti-HIV activity, but increases the effectiveness of boosted agents like darunavir, atazanavir, and elvitegravir by maintaining higher plasma concentrations. Number 3, mechanism of action. 1. CP3A4 inhibition. Cobicistat is a selective, strong inhibitor of cytochrome P453A4, CYP3A4, the primary metabolic pathway for many antiretrovirals and other drugs. Result: decreases metabolism of drugs like darunavir, atazanavir, increases plasma levels, Cmax, and AUC, allows once-daily dosing of boosted antiretrovirals. 2. CYP-D6 inhibition, weak moderate, can increase levels of medications metabolized via CYP2D6, SSRIs, TCAs, antipsychotics. 3. P-glycoprotein inhibition, increased absorption of PGP substrates, e.g. digoxin. Inhibits tubular secretion of creatinine, blocks MATE1 transporter, causes higher serum creatinine, but true GFR is unchanged. This is a false indicator of renal impairment. 4. Pharmacokinetics, highly detailed. Absorption, oral bioavailability increased with food. Peak concentration Tmax, 3 hours. Distribution, extensively protein-bound, 98 to 99%. Volume of distribution moderate. Metabolism, primarily hepatic, via CY3A major, CYP2D6 minor. It also inhibits these enzymes, major basis of drug-drug interactions. Elimination, feces 5% major, urine 5%. Half-life, approximately 3 to 4 hours, but boosting effect lasts much longer due to irreversible enzyme inhibition. Effect on renal function, inhibits creatinine secretion via MATE1, raises serum creatinine by 0.1.2 milligrams per deciliter, does not reduce actual GFR. Uses: Cobicistat is used only to boost other HIV medications, protease inhibitors, PIs, darunavir DRV, atazanavir ATV, integrase strand transfer inhibitor, elvitegravir EVG, not used alone, not an antiretroviral, never taken as monotherapy. Number 6, indications approved as a pharmacokinetic enhancer to increase systemic exposure of atazanavir or darunavir, improve pharmacokinetic profile of elvitegravir in fixed dose combinations. Indicated for adults with HIV-1 infection, adolescents, clue 12 years weighing 35 kilograms, varies by product. Number 7, contraindications, detailed list. Absolute contraindications: 1, co-administration with CYP3A substrates where increased concentration causes serious life-threatening reactions, including amiodarone, dronedarone, lurasidone, pymazide, ergot derivatives, ergotamine, dihydroergotamine, triazolam, oral midazolam, colchicine, in renal hepatic impairment. 2, strong CY3A inducers reduce cobicistat level, therapeutic failure. Rifampin, carbamazepine, phenobarbital, phenytoin, St. John's wort, efavirenz. 3, severe hepatic impairment, Child-Pugh 4, known hypersensitivity. Number 8, precautions. Before taking cobicistat, inform your healthcare provider if you have kidney conditions. Cobicistat raises serum creatinine without harming kidneys, but patients with existing kidney disease must be monitored. Liver disease, increased risk of hepatic decompensation. Cardiac medications, many dangerous interactions with antiarrhythmics. History of drug interactions. Cobicistat interacts with many CNS medications, statins, anticoagulants. Pregnancy. Cobicistat exposure decreases in pregnancy, often not recommended for pregnant women, risk of virologic failure. Breastfeeding. Generally avoided because HIV may transmit through breast milk. Concomitant hepatotoxic or nephrotoxic drugs. Number 9, how to use. Take once daily with food. Must be taken at the same time as the drug it is boosting, DRV, ATV, EVG. Do not use as standalone therapy. Swallow tablet whole, do not crush. Number 10, dosing information. Standard adult dose, cobicistat 150 milligrams orally once daily with food. Given along with darunavir 800 milligrams once daily, Prescobix, Atazanavir 300 milligrams once daily as part of the combination tablet Genvoya or Stribild. Renal adjustment. Not required for Cobicistat alone. Adjustment depends on the accompanying ARV, e.g. TDF requires good renal function. Number 11. If you miss a dose, overdose. Miss dose. If 12 hours late, take as soon as possible. If 12 hours late, skip and take next dose at usual time. Do not double the dose. Overdose symptoms may include severe nausea or vomiting, marked bradycardia from drug interactions, increased risk of QT prolongation, severe dizziness. Seek emergency medical help. Treatment is supportive. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking Cobicistat. If stop the medication and contact a doctor immediately if yellowing of skin, eyes, jaundice, severe abdominal pain, signs of lactic acidosis, rare and boosted regimens, allergic reaction, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing, severe fatigue or muscle weakness, you start any new medications, interaction risk. Do not abruptly stop HIV therapy without medical guidance. Number 13. Side effects, detailed, common 10%. Mild increase in serum creatinine, nausea, diarrhea, fatigue, headache. Less common, rash, hyperbilirubinemia when combined with atazanavir, elevated liver enzymes, lipid abnormalities. Serious kidney injury, rare, more with TDF combinations, severe drug-drug interactions, allergic reaction, hepatotoxicity, bradycardia when interacting with certain drugs. Number 14, vital information, key clinical pearls. Does not have antiretroviral activity. Increases serum creatinine without decreasing actual kidney function. Food increases absorption, must be taken with food. Strong inhibitor of CYP3A, many drug interactions. Not recommended in pregnancy because exposure is reduced. Number 15, drug interactions in depth. Cobicistat effects, CYP3A, strong inhibitor, CY2D6, weak moderate inhibitor, PGP inhibitor, MATE1 renal transporter, inhibition, major interacting drug classes. 1. Statins, contraindicated, simvastatin, lovastatin, use with caution, atorvastatin, lowest dose, prefer pravastatin, pitavastatin. 2. Cardiovascular drugs, avoid amiodarone, dronedarone, careful monitoring, calcium channel blockers, beta blockers, digoxin levels, PGP inhibition. 3. Benzodiazepines, contraindicated, triazolam, oral midazolam. 4. Anticonvulsants, contraindicated, carbamazepine, phenobarbital, phenytoin. They induce CYP3A, failure of HIV regimen. 5. Corticosteroids, may cause Cushing syndrome when used with inhaled fluticasone, nasal budesonide. 6. Anticoagulants, rivaroxaban, avoid. Warfarin, monitor INR frequently. 7. Erectile dysfunction drugs, sildenafil, tadalafil, use lowest dose, risk of hypotension. 8. Herbal products. St. John's wort, contraindicated, dramatically lowers Cobicistat levels. Thank you. Have a nice day.